Hello students, welcome to today's online session on RDBMS. In our today's session we are going to discuss about the important questions of RDBMS. So don't miss the video, continue watching, okay? So in our first unit we could expect the following questions for the long questions, okay? The first and foremost long question that I will expect from the first unit is logical DBMS architecture, okay? Logical DBMS architecture, very important ma. This logical DBMS architecture and three-level architecture of DBMS and logical architecture means to say that in this logical architecture we are going to have three levels like external level, internal level and conceptual level that you need to explain in this, okay? And after this I could expect one more question from this particular topic from this particular first unit is file-based system, okay? File-based system versus DBMS. They will be asking you the differences between the file-based system and DBMS. You need to enlarge the differences that you could find in both of the systems, okay? And one more question that you can expect from this is here physical DBMS data structure. What it is? Physical DBMS data structure. That is not there in this, but you people will be having a question which is related to physical DBMS data structure. Database structure. Just go through them and explain that in a neat manner, okay? You could explain them also, okay? See here we are having ident observe physical DBMS architecture that you people will be given with the long question also, okay? And one more important question is that what is DBA and functions and roles of DBA. This will be given for the long question as well as short question also. Who is DBA will be coming for 4 marks, and if they are asking about the functionals and roles of the DBA, then it will be coming for the 7 to 8 marks, okay? And then later on you people can expect the 4 marks question which will come for a long question also. How they will be giving question A, question B, question C. If you are answering all of them, then you people will be getting 8 to 15 marks if it is a long question, okay? Then in that this topic is very important. Data files, indices and data dictionary, they will be giving these three in order to explain you. If you are explaining all of them, then you people will be getting a long marks I can say, okay? And types of databases is a very simple topic. Depending on the users, depending on the location, depending on the usage, you people will be categorizing the database. Just explain them if it is coming, okay? Not mandatory, but it may, but it is very easy, okay? And see, later on from this half of the unit you can expect all these questions that I have explained till now, but remaining half of the unit is focusing on the ER model and relational model. See, they will be asking you people to explain the basic terminology which is related to this ER model and relational model, like what is data model, what is relational model, okay? Along with that they will be giving you the question in order to write a tuple. What is tuple, what is relation, what is key. Not all this they will be asking you to write about tuple, relation, key and remaining things like what I can say, domains. What is domain, what is constraint, okay? All the terminologies which are related to relational model they will be asking you to explain. If they are giving like ABCD, if you are answering all of them, then you will be getting the marks. So I'm not saying that this question will come for sure in relational model, but every terminology that you have read like relation, table, tuple, column, field and relation between two attributes, degrees of relation types like one-to-one relation, one-to-many relation, all they will be coming for your 4 marks, but combinedly they will be given for 7 to 8 marks. They are very simple. If you are going through once, then you people will be getting it in an easiest manner, okay? So go through them, it is very easy, okay? And then you should focus on the long question like see here, relational operations, entity relation operations I can say, where you people will be having different kind of operations, set operations and unary operations, binary operations. You people will be having all those relational operations that you could perform on the relations, means to say the table. On the table you can perform set operations and union operations, I can say, like set operations like union all, intersect all, and minus. All these things can be performed, and you people will be having cross product. Okay, you people will be having remaining operations too. Just go through them so that it will be easy for you people in order to answer. See here ma, I'm not explaining you people to go through only one question, but all these things will fall under the long questions only if they are giving it in a combined manner. They won't be given in a single line or a single question. If it comes also, they will be giving you the part of that particular question. Okay, and from the entity relationship model, you people will be getting the same questions like what is entity, what is attribute, what is relation, what is the degrees of relation, how do you represent the relations, how do you represent the attributes, tuples, relations. Okay, all these things will be given in a combination in order to explain you by people. But if you are explaining all of them, then long question will be completed. Okay, and define relationship for the college database and ER diagram, conversion of ER diagram into relational model. See, it is very important question here. Conversion of ER diagram to relational model. They will be giving you the example, or else they will ask you people to take the example in order to convert the ER diagram into relational model. Means to say that they will be giving you the ER model where you people will be having relation between the two entities and attributes about the entities, and you need to convert them into the table format. Okay, that is what the thing is. Okay, just go through them, it is very important. Okay, and in the second unit you are talking about the database integrity and normalization. It is very important topic and easiest topic that I could say among your 5 units. Okay, the first and foremost question that I could expect is basic terminology. What is integrity, what is key, what are the types of keys like super key, foreign key, that we have heard it in the first unit. Okay, super key, foreign key, and constraint key. Okay, what is referential integrity, and all these things will fall under this basic terminology. They will be asked in a different manner, like explain the below. Okay, if they are giving A, B, C, D, then you need to explain all of them. Okay, and after that they will be asking you what is integrity. Okay, they will be asking you the basic definition of redundancy. What do you mean by redundancy? Redundancy is nothing but what? Copies of data. In order to reduce the copies of data, we will go for what? Normalization. Okay, that they will be giving in individual manner, that you need to explain them. Okay, from the first part. And the second part that you could expect in examination is dependencies, functional dependencies. They won't ask you independently, but they will be asking within the normalization. Okay, the very important topic here is normalization. You need to define the normalization, and then you people will ask to explain first normalization, second normalization, or else second normalization, third normalization, else third normalization and Boyce Codd normal form. If it is of 50 marks paper, they will be asking you only one, but if it is of 100 marks or else 80 marks paper, they will be giving in the combination like 1NF, 2NF, 2NF, 3NF, and 3NF, 4NF. Okay, like that they will be asking you people. Okay, from this half of the part I could explain these only: normalization and types of normalization, and integrity basic terminologies that they will be giving you for the long question. Okay, and from the other half unit you could explain the below. You can expect the below questions like what it is file organization. How you people will be organizing the files and its types. See here, mainly we will be having 3 kind of techniques in order to organize the files, like sequential and direct access, and then indexed sequential organization. Will be having all these things. You need to explain them in detail so that you people will be getting good marks. Okay, and there you people will be having hashing methods and heap file methods. You can explain them also in case of file organization and its types. Okay, and apart from that, from the second half unit you can expect this question, and you can also expect what? types of indexes. What is index and what is types of indexes? That is what the important question is. Types of index means how you are going to create the index and what are the types of indexes that are available that you need to explain in this particular question. Okay. Multi-key file organization is a method where you people will be having multiple keys in order to detect the data in a unique manner from the database. Okay, that is what I can expect. And the need for multiple access, multi list file organization, inverted, they will come for 4 marks. Just go through it once and you can write on your own. Okay, now I'll go for the third unit. Okay, now go for the third unit. In a third unit you are having structure query languages. One of the important and easiest unit is your third unit. Why? Because here we will be working onto the statements where you people need to remember about the syntaxes. If you are remembering the syntaxes, it is going to be very easy unit. Why? Because in this we will be having different kind of languages like DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. In that you people will be having 3 to 4 statements. In that 3 to 4 statements, you people will be having the syntaxes. If you are having the syntaxes in your mind, then this chapter will be very easy for you people. Okay, and see here, in your structured query language, you people will be having main and main. Appropriately, you people will be receiving these 2 questions: DDL and DML. What is DDL? What is DML? And what are the statements that are available within them? Data definition language, data manipulation language. In a data definition language, you people will be having create, alter, draw. Along with that, if you can observe, you people will be receiving truncate option. Okay, and in case of DML statements, you people will be having insert, delete, update, and along with that, you can write select statement also in that. Okay, and then very important, just go through it. Okay, now I'll go for the next one. Okay, next one is what? DCL. In this DCL you are having only 2, that is grant and revoke. Just do remember the syntaxes. Okay, I'm not leaving anything here. Why? Because they can ask you anything, but here you need to focus on only syntaxes. If you know the syntax, you can write the theory. Okay, but if you are writing syntax in a wrong manner, then your entire answer will be considered as the wrong one only. Okay, and in transaction control language, you people will be having only 2 statements like a commit and rollback. You need to learn why you are using rollback, why you are using commit statement. That's it. Okay, from this half of the unit, complete this so that you can answer any question. Remaining questions can be read by you people can avoid, but they are very easy. Okay, from the remaining half of the unit, you could expect classes of your structured query language like where class, group by class, ordered by class. You people will be having so many classes over there. Just read them. Okay, they may come for the long question, 7 to 8 marks question you people will be getting. And nested queries. Query within a query is called as what? Nested query. It is very important. If you are submitting the query within the query, then it is nothing but what? Nested query. It may come for 4 marks, very important. And join operations. You see, you people will be having different kind of join operations like natural join, cross join, conditional join. Okay, like that you people will be having different kind of join operations over there. Just go through them, and you people will be learning about this join operation in the first unit itself. And just here you need to learn the syntaxes that you are going to use. Okay, focus on to them. Syntaxes are very important in your third unit. Okay, and then indexes can be asked for your 7 marks. Okay, just okay, it's very important to remember by you people. Okay, just try to observe here. From the third unit, you people can also expect what? Indexes and its type, and you people can have the table handling. But complete this half of the unit, but that is enough for third unit. Okay, and right now we'll go for the fourth unit. Okay, in a fourth unit, you see, you people will be talking about the transaction control language. Okay, or else transactions which will be running parallelly, concurrent transactions, I can say, that will be managed in your fourth unit. Okay, from this you people can expect this question: what is transaction and what is transaction control protocol? Okay, or else simply I can say they will be asking you about the asset properties of your transaction. Okay, atomicity, consistency, and what I'll say, isolation and durability will be there. No, they should be explained what is transaction and what is its properties. And concurrent transaction here is parallelly when we are trying to execute the transaction, then it is nothing but what? Concurrent transaction. Here you could expect this transaction and this properties for 4 marks or else a short mark question, I can say. Okay, and see, when it is going for the next one, it's very important question here is your locking protocol. Here you people can receive the question about the two-phase locking protocol. Okay, very important, and they will be asking you the serializable schedule definition. Okay, definition of serializable schedule and two-phase locking protocol, they will be coming for long questions for sure. Okay, just concentrate on to your two-phase locking protocol. It was very important over here. Okay, and then remaining part, you could expect this deadlock question for your 4 marks, as well as if they are asking about the preventions, then it will be coming for the long question. Okay, and then I can expect a few more questions from this 4th unit, that is recovery techniques, where you are having a recovery techniques like backup, how you people will be creating the backups and how you people will recover from that. That will be asked in your long questions. And as I already told you people, okay, this recovery techniques will come for long question, and security and authentication, they will also fall under the long questions only. But as per my knowledge, if you are completing half of the portion in this particular 4th unit also, like deadlock prevention and optimistic control and this transaction properties and locking protocol serializable schedule, then it's enough. You people can answer the question from your 4th unit. Okay, as per my knowledge, you should plan. If you are free, if you are having knowledge about the database recovery and security, then you could go for remaining part also. Okay, but you should plan yourself which should be read, which should be left. Okay, if you are feeling free, if you are feeling easy, then go for them also. Okay, now I'll go for the remaining part, that is 5th unit. In the 5th unit, you can expect the questions like what is distributed database and structure of distributed database. They will be asking you to define DDBMS, distributed database management system, and the structure of distributed database management system. They will ask you people to write all these things, advantages, disadvantages. The complete session will be falling under only one question, DBMS. Explain DBMS in a brief. When they are giving the question in this format, you need to explain what is DBMS, what are the structures and advantages and disadvantages related to DBMS. I will consider all these things in only one question. Okay, just read them once and you people can write on your own. Okay, and now we'll go for the data replication and fragmentation. Okay, data replication I have explained you in a DBMS itself. We will be placing the data into different kind of clients or as the systems which are located in a computer network. We will be distributing among them. Okay, that is what the replication is. Fragmentation is nothing but breaking the data into pieces. We can break the data, we can break the table into vertical format, like dividing the columns, or else we can divide the table into horizontal, means to say that we will be dividing the data in the form of rows also. You can do either of them. Okay, then this replication and fragmentation both can come for 4 marks as well as the long question also. Okay, and client and server architecture, it's very important. Client and server architecture, where you people will be having one system which is acting like a server. Okay, it may be one system, it may be number of systems which will be working in the computer network, which will be working like a servers, which will be giving the services or as the resources to the clients, those who are requesting for that particular resources. Okay, and you people will be having one system as a server or as few systems which will be acting like a servers in a computer network, and they will be giving the response for each and every system which is there in a computer network, which will be acting like a clients, which will be requesting for the data. All these things we have explained you in a neat manner. If you are having any doubts, just let me know by the comments. Okay, if you are commenting onto this video, we will make a separate video onto that particular topic so that it will become clear to you people. Okay, I hope it is clear to you people. From this particular part, I could expect these two questions: client and server architecture, replication and fragmentation, and DBMS structure. structure of distributed database management system. Avoid the noise, please. Okay, and now we'll zoom out and we will see the important questions that we have covered in our RDBMS. Okay, now see ma, I'll just stick out the systems. Okay, see here, database, you people can receive the question from the starting itself. Okay, that is database definition. This is the first question that you should learn. Okay, and then file based system versus DBMS. File based system versus DBMS means to say that they will ask you people to compare the file based system and DBMS systems. Okay, and database approach, one of the important question is your database approach, logical database approach or 3-level architecture or else ANSI Spark architecture. There you need to explain about these 3 levels, that is external level, internal level and conceptual level. If you can explain, you should explain the physical database that is present in your figure. Okay, and then you should go through your database administrator functions and roles, which is very important here. Okay, and files, as I already told you, you people will be receiving these questions for 4 marks, but if not, go for the individual definition so that you can write for the long question also. And there onwards you people can go for what keys, what is key, what are the types of keys, primary key, foreign key, super key, candidate key, composite key, those will be there. Now they will fall under your long questions itself if it is coming for the long question. Okay, and see here they will be asking you about the entity relationship model. Okay, as I already told you people, you will be having different kind of operations too. Okay, set operations, joining operations that you need to learn in case of relational model, and in case of ER model you people will be having the basic definitions like what is entity, what is relationship, degrees of relationship, more than one entities. All these things will be there in your entity relationship. I am explaining you people the things that are present in that particular topic. That is the reason you people will feel like we are having so many questions, but it is not true. We are having only one question which will be combining all of them. Okay, and see, you people can expect one more question from this, that is conversion of ER diagram into relational model. Means to say that they will be giving a ER model figure and they will ask you people to convert them into the tables. Okay, these are the important questions that you could see in your first unit. Okay, once again I'll mark this: file based system versus DBMS, and database approach, logical database structure and physical database structure, administrator functions and roles, and relational model. In that you people should go through all these basic definitions, relational, tuples, fields, and keys and types of keys. All these things should be gone through. And ER model, in the ER model also basic definitions like entities, attributes, relationship, and more than that. Okay, and apart from that, conversion of ER diagram into relational model. Okay, and I'll go for the second unit. Second unit questions are like this: relational integrity and see here, they will be asking you about the referential integrity and entity integrity and database integrity. And apart from that, they will be asking you about the definition, very important, normalization. And in that they will be asking you about first 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF. Okay, and then you could expect physical database issues. Okay, and you can expect file organization and its type. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay, and heap file organization and hash file organization will also be there within that only. And types of indexes, these are the important question from your second unit. Okay, and from third unit, DDL, DML, both are very important. And complete this DCL, TCL also. You people will be having 2 to 3 statements in them. Just go through them. Okay, and you can expect join operations, RS. Don't go for join operations, go for this clauses like group by, ordered by, where, select. Okay, all these clauses are very important. Okay, now I'll go for the next one, that is fourth unit will be taking this transaction and its properties, locking protocols and serializable schedule, and two-phase locking protocol. Deadlock prevention, it is also important. And then you can go for backup and recovery techniques. Okay, backup and recovery techniques and the kinds of failures that you can have in our database, and these are important questions. And apart from that, in your 5th unit you could expect these questions, structure of DDBMS, okay, database replication and data replication and data fragmentation. And apart from that, you people can expect client and server architecture over here. Okay, client and server architecture, here it is. Okay, and they can ask you about the advantages and disadvantages of clients and server architecture, and that's it. I hope you people will be receiving all these questions in your external. Hopefully you people might have started your preparation. If not, start from today itself, okay, so that you people will be ready for your examination. We don't know when the examinations are going to be conducted, but as per the OU norms, you people will be having the question you people will be having the question paper for 50 marks. Okay, so you people will be receiving the direct question itself. If not, they will be giving you in the combinations like A, B, C. If you are writing them, then you people will be getting the long questions. Whatever I have discussed, they are for only long questions. For short questions, you people can receive any topic. See, as it is a theoretical one, they can give you any topic for 4 marks. Okay, so follow them, and I wish you all the best. If you have started your preparation, it's good. If not, start from today itself. All the best. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Thank you.